In order to add an event to Calendar on Google Pixel 10 Pro, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the Calendar app. There we go. Now we should be able to tap on this plus button in the bottom right corner and then choose event. Over here we can set up the title for our event. We can choose the event to last the whole day. Over here on the left side we can choose the date when the event starts and when it ends, and you can also choose the time in case you didn't select all day option over here. We also have the time zone selection and whether the event should repeat or not. We can also add people to this event. We can add video conferencing. We can also include location, and we can manage notifications. So if you want to be informed like one day before the event, then of course you can select that over here. You can also create a custom notification, and you can remove notifications as well by tapping on this X on the right side. You can also choose a color for the event, write a description, and also we can include attachments, generally speaking. You can include attachments from Google Drive. Once you set everything up, press save in the upper right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.